Menteri Rangba ke Jylla Conrad ke Sangma hapakran shiklat pthai khobor hading ke jiwan mi sha H Cordon Robot Hospital Marsinyo jingtep alo ke jingklat kandid Dr. Ricky H. Singh MP Lok Sabha na Shillong Parliamentary Constituency hakatege chaka sumar ha janmet kakanai tre rampangar ja punreu long ba Taïew Mynshwa Dr. Ricky lawan shi ingsa jungu hadali letho ba Ïakren gane shtengan ta ba klamde Ïakren sanhima Dr. Ricky Ïakren halo jing ang not jugu nagbanta ke Jylla shushu lo ang ba jing emerjimot kalong bait ban Taïew ya ke Jylla
Ricky Singh about 2 weeks back in Delhi. I still remember the conversation we had. He had come to my residence and we had spoken about the different plans he had for the state, different institutes he wanted to bring up, different development schemes that he wanted to bring to Meghalaya. And for almost about 30 minutes to 45 minutes we discussed about the overall future of our state without going into politics. And that was the last meeting and conversation I had with Dr. Ricky Singh. And right after that, about 2 weeks back, then today in the evening, while I was preparing for the budget, which I was supposed to be presenting tomorrow. I was preparing for the budget and I got the news that there was a small incident where late Dr. Ricky Singh had collapsed while playing football. And I was not sure how serious the situation was, so I had called up all the officials concerned and said that kindly update me on how he's feeling and hopefully he's feeling better. Only to learn later on that the situation was quite critical. And that's when I informed all the cabinet colleagues and all the officials that we must rush immediately. And it's a great loss for the state, great loss for the people, especially of Khasi Hills, Jylla Hills, because we had a person in the form of late Dr. Ricky Singh who had been working with full commitment and passion for the people of the region and the state as a whole. I express my deepest condolences to the family of late Dr. Ricky Singh. I pray to Almighty that He may give strength to the family members as well as all His supporters, His party leaders, to bear the huge loss, and I pray to Almighty that His soul may rest in peace.
Hagawai perkaliang Menteri Rangba ulong ba hapadeng ke jingklat no Dr. Ricky kamsngo ha ban pelong ke Dorbar Mang Tyngka jo ke yeng Dorbar thau ai ke Jylla ke badangya chekmat ban sasim rai ke business advisory committee ban pen Sangeh ka.
We have discussed with the Deputy Chief Minister Parliamentary Affairs. We will be having a meeting tomorrow with the PAC, headed by obviously the respected Speaker of the House, and the decision will be taken tomorrow. But I have communicated from my side to Honourable Deputy CM in charge Parliamentary Affairs that it would be appropriate for the government not to go ahead with the proceedings of the House tomorrow in respect of late Dr. Ricky Singh. And even though tomorrow is the day we were supposed to present the budget, it would make absolute sense and respect to the departed soul if we were to postpone even the presentation of the budget tomorrow.
Habatin, page bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau khau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya ka sharp plus F ha ka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka iron la icon diat bada ka bathau bha kam khta I ka dur jingki marbam ka jingmat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jingmantoy ba kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Kan nutrition bakam bhak, ka jing im bakam bhak, pendon kam daki mar ba medon ka sharp plus F mentah kesni.
Lawan Rak Shapi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.